live in London. I'm 5 years old. Today I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese about Tablewares. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe. Fork, 叉子 I'm using fork to eat. 我正在用叉子吃饭。Knife, 刀 This is a knife. 这是一把刀 Chopsticks, 筷子 I always use chopsticks at home. 我在家总是用筷子 Spoon, 勺子 I use spoon to eat soup. 我用勺子喝汤Napkin, 餐巾纸 Can you pass me a napkin? 你能给我一张餐巾纸吗 Menu, 菜单I have a menu. Yes. 我有一个菜单 Yes. Dish, 盘子 I hate washing dishes. 我讨厌洗盘子 Bowl, 碗 Please give me a bowl of rice. 请给我一碗米饭 Tray, 桌盘 I have some yummy biscuits on the tray. Here you go, a biscuit, and you a biscuit. 我有一些好吃的饼干在桌盘上。给你和你 Jar, 罐子 This jar is full of honey. 这个罐子装满了蜂蜜。Bottle, 瓶子 Can you give me a bottle of water, please? 你能给我一瓶水吗 That's all for today. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel.